Let's take a look at biopower and organizational communication. The configurations of power have changed with the emergence of neoliberalism and the post-Fordist organization. Ideas like the enterprise self, the social factory, and immaterial labor mean that the relationship between organizations and employees has shifted. From a power perspective, one way to frame this shift is in terms of a change from managerial efforts to discipline people to get them to behave in specific ways. The goal of power is not to make people docile and obedient, but rather to encourage them to engage in competitive social relations and to view themselves as human capital in every sphere of life. Adopting the term biocracy to identify the exercise of bypower in work contexts, the post-Fordist workplace control is different from earlier forms of control such as Taylorism, bureaucracy, and even culture and management. Biocracy promotes freedom and expression of lifestyle attitudes at work. This new form of power reflects the neoliberal conception of human beings not just as participants in an economic exchange relationship, but as the living embodiment of capital. Under this view, power is increasingly dispersed and diffuse, saturating most aspects of life through the creation of a social factory where all forms of interaction are monetizable. Such a view suggests that we try to rethink the relation between work and life.